Got Alex hooked up. Good hit. Just stay with them. How was the run? Was it hard or?
I think a good run.
Okay. Sometimes they come at you and it doesn't feel like much, and then they realize they're hooked. I see him down there. Looking low. What do you got there? Silvery, so something good. Yeah, it's king. Nice king in the boat for Alex. First offshore king. Sweet work. Woo! That's where we gotta do everything slow here. Just let him turn you, keep that rod low, parallel. Here we go. All right, man, nice king Mac. Sweet work. Good fight there, ripping that line. There you go. I want him to get tired before he gets near the boat.
Oh yeah.
There he goes. I mean, he could be a king too.
He's going deep. Come on, Aiden can't be the only one.
It's a king. It's a nice king. Very nice king. Give him the head. Yeah. See that can happen. Oh, I gotta break. Oh, fresh king gaff. Fresh king gaff. Fresh king gaff.
He did not like that one.
I knew it was gonna happen. Green king gaffed in the kayak. They don't like that too much.
Oh shit.
Good fish though, man.
Yeah.
Fought very weird. Didn't really fight too hard at the beginning. Couple small runs, but for a king this size, he should have ran a lot harder.
Yeah.
But he wasted all of his energy around the boat when I guess. So.
Yeah.
Nice fish there, though. Hold him a little higher for the camera there. You, man. Good job.
Oh Jesus. What a handoff.
All right. Well, it's a typical king fight where he like 2 blistering runs. Like that's what they usually do. 2 blistering runs before they start getting tired out. I see a little bit of color down there. Can't tell yet. Too soon. Going back down.
Treble hook caught his stomach.
Yep. Try to walk in my spear the best you can here. That's tough. Like he's hooked. Yeah, let him out now. And another. In the boat. 2. 2 for 2 for Mike.
There she blows.
They just don't know they're hooked. So they're not going to run real hard right off the bat. Yeah, it's got a decent bend to him there. There he goes. Line off your boat. Just a good bend, line off the boat. Because he'll turn you, so you don't have to worry about going up and over your head or anything like that. Just keep the rod parallel. Yeah. Yeah. No, this is okay. First king. Yeah, that's the king. One more turn here. One more turn. Reel down one more time. This is a nice king. Walk in the front. Walk in the front. Nice. All right, man. Good fish.
Oh, that is a good fish.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's bigger than I thought. It's
Yeah.
like, wow.
All right, first king for Charles. Good fish there. Nice king mackerel.
Awesome.
Beaut, man.